What's up guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we will be uninstalling the Harley-Davidson Pan America stock seat and installing this, the Saddlemen Step-Up tuck and roll seat. Now I've been riding for 3 years now, and every bike that I've had, I've thrown a Saddlemen on it. Here's my Iron 883, which was my first ever bike with the Step-Up seat on it. Now this seat was a little bit firm and not as comfortable to me as the tuck and roll seat. Then I upgraded to my dream bike, which was the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob, which you see right here, with the step-up seat. And to me, that seat was perfect. It was beautiful on the bike, as all Saddlemen seats are on the bike. Now on the Pan America, you can actually adjust the seating position. There are 2 seating positions. And word on the streets is that this seat can only attach at the highest adjustment level. However, I've seen another YouTuber say that because of the width of the Saddlemen seat being narrower than the stock seat, it actually kind of evens out and your foot is just ever so tippy-toed at the same level as with the stock seat. So we're going to put all these theories to test. Without further ado, let's get right into it. There it is with the stock seat. Okay, so right now I'm going to do a test through the parking lot and tell you how this seat feels. Now the stock seat, it is pretty comfortable. I can't lie about that. It is a comfortable seat. However, it does have some firmness to it and not much back support. It feels like I am kind of centered over the bike here, but it is a comfortable seat. And I'm going to show you guys how far my foot is off the ground. So as you guys can see right here, I can okay, with both my feet touching, this is the angle. Yeah, so this is about as far as I can go right here with both feet touching, and I'm just completely in a relaxed position right now. And there it is, just kind of on my tippy toes right there. Now we're going to uninstall the stock seat, which is a pretty easy process. You're just going to turn your key and you're going to remove the top part. And this part just lifts up and out. Okay, so this is an overview of what these seats look like. And I'll tell you, the Saddlemen seat is heavier than the stock seat, just so you guys know that. Also, as you guys saw, the stock seat is installed in 2 parts, the lower and upper, and the Saddlemen is just one piece. Let's look at the underbellies of them. If you look at the Harley-Davidson stock seat on your probably $20,000, $30,000 motorcycle, it's actually stapled at the bottom. And if you look at the Saddlemen, it's kind of pinned. So there is a huge difference in seat quality here, guys. Okay, so if you guys look right here, you can see these 2 notches. On the stock seat, there's this little groove right here. Show you guys a closer look at that little groove. That goes into either this lower slot right here or the higher slot right there. And it's that simple. Aim for your groove. Like right now, we're in the lowest setting. And if you want to go to that higher setting, and right there's the higher setting. For me, of course, since I'm kind of short, I opted for the lower setting, of course. Okay, so now to install this baby, actually there are no grooves. We're just gonna throw it on there. And yeah, it does look like it can only go to that highest level. So we're just gonna kind of just drop it into that spot right there. Until it's secured. Now, I don't know if that actually makes it lower or higher, but we will find out in a second. And also, I want to show you guys here. This is the back of your seat. There's a little locking mechanism here that goes into that little hole, which secures your seat to the bike. Clicks in place, and that's locked in, baby. And just like that, your Saddlemen seat is installed. So that's what it looks like after installation. Okay, so moment of truth. So I'm gonna hop on and see what it's like. Honestly, I think maybe the seat does install into the lower end, but I don't know. But it feels like I actually have either the same or maybe even slightly less of a bend. Let's crank the Pan America up though. Oh, with the ride height lowering as I turned it on, yeah, guys, this is both my feet planted, and guys, I think I'm actually able to reach the ground better. And the seat feels amazing. It does feel a little bit more firm. Of course, it's not been broken in, but it's definitely comfortable, and I feel like I'm in a more comfortable riding position. If you look at the Insta360 here, I don't know if you can see a difference in the angle of my body. So now we're gonna pull up to our camera here, which I'm recording on my iPhone right over there. And this is the angle. This is me standing up. I'm in a relaxed position here. And this is where my legs are. Once again, Saddlemen does it. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I must say, I'm glad I decided to order another Saddlemen for my bike. It definitely takes the aesthetics of your bike up a notch, throwing a Saddlemen on there. So actually, I don't know about you, but it feels like I can actually reach the ground easier with the Saddlemen seat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like this video. So until next time, peace up, 2 wheels down, and I'll see you guys in the next video.